Wow, this is a really good issue. McKenna, guess what? What are you, Mia? What are you doing? I'm packing. Really, a sock? Yep, a sock. Mom, give it to me. Never mind. What was that? I don't know. Come on, Rebecca, let's go. Do 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 do. Hey, what was that? I'm gonna go check it out. Hey, what was that? I'm gonna go see. What? Oh my gosh! What was that? I'm scared. Could someone, girl, please tell me what that was? I don't care who it is. Just tell me, please. Can someone tell me? Someone please tell me who was that guy. Please, someone tell me. It was just the radio. Yeah, it was just the radio, guys. The radio.
Hey, peoples, what you doing, peoples?
Chrissy,